Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use Microsoft rewards for Roblox, League of Legends gift cards, Overwatch coins and more. If you use Microsoft Edge like me as a study browser, or you use it as your main browser, firstly, you're going to go to the search bar right here in your Microsoft Edge browser and type Microsoft Rewards. Once you have done this, click on this link right here and it should lead you to this page. Now, Microsoft Rewards, you can gain these through your phone browser, through other Microsoft devices that use this browser, and you want to click on Start Earning. It will lead you to rewards.bing.com. Now you can see over here I have a point system. These are my available points, which are reward points available for me to redeem for prizes. I also have a daily point system where I can see the reward points I have earned today. I will show you guys the point breakdown. So for my daily search breakdown, I can earn up to 30 points per day with 3 points per search, and my earning starts with my third search. So with that math, you need 13 searches, any searches, to gain 30 points. I will take you guys down here, which is my daily set. I have already completed 2 of these and I'm going to show you guys this third one. There's also something called streak protection, and as you can see right here, if I complete my daily set today, I will gain 45 point bonus. So let me click here, and now it has taken me to this random search. If I go back, it is going to show me that I have gained these 10 points, and look at that, I have gained the streak bonus. You can see my available points have been updated in real time, as well as my daily points. There's a bunch of other activities that I can also do to gain some more points. Some of these require level 2. There are levels to this. So once I reach level 2, I will gain a bunch of other exclusive benefits as well. I will now show you guys the items that I can convert these earned points into and redeem. Firstly, we have your Roblox digital cards, which will give you Robux. Then you have League of Legends gift cards, you have Overwatch coins and a bunch of online shopping gift cards. These will be exclusive to whatever country you are in. I can also use these points to make donations. For example, this is a cancer research hospital in my country that I can donate to, and a bunch more. If I go here, I can donate 1,000 points, or I can donate 100 points. There's multiple options, and these points are eventually converted into some form of money and donated to the trust. I can gain 100 Robux for 1,500 points. If I click here, I have multiple other options. For example, there's this 1,000 Robux option. If I click here, you can see I need 15,000 points and I can gain 1,000 Robux. There's also an auto redeem option that you can turn on if you wish to do so. So I will now be showing you guys my order history for the Robux gift card that I have already ordered. Here is that receipt, and you can see this has been claimed very recently, and for 1500 points I have gained 100 Robux. Now they will be sending you a code onto your Microsoft email. Do not worry if your Roblox account is not made from your Microsoft email. They're just sending you the code. You can put in the code through the app or through the website with whatever account you have. As you can see right here, I am in the Roblox app where I have gained 100 Robux with this reward system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you have a fantastic day.